The next thing to do is to download the example data. The link to that data can be found in this particular paper here. And let me also say that this tutorial that I am doing now is based entirely on this particular paper and then the blog post made by Dave Tang. So it is from these articles that I prepared the materials and all that. So credit goes to them. And so this is the link to the data. So you can just click it or you can just copy it. Because I am on a terminal, I prefer to download it on the terminal. So that is what I'll do. But you can also click and then download it. So I'll download using regets. So I'll say regets and then I'll supply it with the link. And so I'll use this command here. So execute this command and then data will start being downloaded for you. So this is how we download it. So let's wait for the download to complete. Okay, so download has been done. So let's clear the screen and just do an ls and you see the data here. This is a compressed file. And so what we will do is to decompress it. That's what we are going to do. And that means we are going to extract the contents. And so to do that, we will say tar xvfz and then we supply the file name like this. And so once we do it like this, we will then execute the command. So everything will be extracted for us. Okay, extraction has been done. Let's clear the screen and continue. So do an ls again and you see this directory here. So this is what was extracted for us. And that is what we are going to use. So let's check the content. So do an ls into it and you see some files and directories there. You can also use the tree command, which might not be necessary for you. It might not be necessary, I repeat. So you can use this to also check the directories in a tree form and then you will see where each file is located. Okay, so let's proceed.